Can you spot the difference between this clamp and this clamp? They're both track clamps, but with one huge difference. This one relies on expensive aluminum track. With this one, you create your own track. MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps are unlike any other track clamp. Its head is forged into a 14-degree half-inch dovetail profile, allowing you to create your own tracks with one of the most common router bits on the market. Without tracks, you're limited to the edge of your workbench and the clamp's throat depth. MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps give you the freedom to clamp beyond the edge. They slide through the dovetail grooves below the surface to secure material without getting in the way. Make auxiliary fences, sleds, stops, hold downs, assembly tables. You can even transform your tool chest or existing workbench into a versatile clamping surface, easily and without expensive aluminum tracks. Sure, there are other track clamps out there, but who wants to buy all that metal? Whether for a quick jig or a permanent shop fixture, dovetail clamps will bring your woodworking to the next level. Cut a straight edge on warped or live edge stock with a sled, cut tapers, or assemble your projects on a perfectly flat surface. Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Your shop is good, now make it great. Add them to your cart and start working smarter today with MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamps.